Hello everyone, so if you're facing this error on your computer, the program can't start or the code execution cannot proceed because D3DX9 underscore 35.dll was not found, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on your computer easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. You're going to select your language here and then you're going to click download. After that, you're going to download this software up. And once you're done downloading it, you're going to go ahead and install it on your computer. Do not click the install the Bing bar. Just click next and install this DirectX software. And once you're done with installing it, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And after you're done with the restart, now when you try to open up any application or game on your computer, you'll see that you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.